All right, let's let that load up. Okay, so here we go.
Let me just write this down real quick.
Okay,
2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm ready.
all right, so it says, what is the value of this expression? Okay, so do you see how there are three mixed numbers here?
Yeah.
Sorry, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you really want to break this apart. Really want to focus on the 6, +8, -7. So just come off to the side here. What is 6 + 8 -7? Can you calculate that for us, please?
Yes. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7.
It is 7. Okay, very good. Now the next thing is we look at the fractions. You've got 1/3, 3/4, and 1/6. So it's 1/3 plus 3/4 minus 1/6. Okay.
1, 3, 12. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Now you have to make a common denominator. You have to find the LCM of 3, 4, and 6. Do you remember how you might have been doing that in class?
The common denominator, yes.
How do you find the LCM in class?
We put it 3 and 4, but since we're doing 6,
I'm having a lot of trouble hearing you today. You just sound very soft, very quiet, like you're far away.
what I do, I do 3 and then 4 or 6, and then I do 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and then after 4, 8, 12. So the least common denominator is 12.
Yes, yes. Okay. Well, as long as you can get that, that's fine.
Yeah.
So tell me the numbers that go in the top in each of these, please.
Okay. It's 1, 3, and 1, I believe.
Say that one more time.
It's 1, 3, 1.
Okay, but you have to change because you're changing the bottom number.
Oh, we
you
have
also
to multiply.
yes.
Okay. So the 1 had to multiply by 4, right?
That's right.
4. Wait, sorry, it's really loud right here. So 4 times 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and then times
What does the middle one become? I think I heard 9. 9, good.
And then the last one is 2.
Okay, great. Now you're going to add 4 plus 9 and then subtract 2. So can you do that for us?
Yeah. So 9, 13, 11
It is 11.
over 12.
So your final answer is 7 and then 11 over 12. Is that okay? Is that okay? Clear, Zoe?
Yeah, that's clear.
Okay, because the next one's really similar, meaning that you probably know enough to do it if you understood this one. So let's try it out here. All right, so first thing is you look at the whole numbers. 10 minus 2 minus 3.
Okay.
10 minus 2 minus 3.
Okay, let me just write this numbers down. Okay, so 10 minus 2 minus 3. 2, 5.
It's 5, yeah. Okay, so that's the first part. Then it's 5/6 minus 1/4 minus 4/9. So you have to find the LCM.
Okay. So 6, 4, and 9, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 12, 18, 24, 30. So then 8, 12, 16, 20. And then after the 9, 18, 27, 36. So we have to go. Okay.
Let me know your LCM.
Okay. Well, let me just figure it out really quick.
Okay, yeah, just don't want to check it before you start going further.
Okay. The LCM is 36.
It is 36, yes. So you have to change the numbers.
36, 36, minus, minus, and then we have to multiply. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16, 9, and then 30. Okay, I got the top. I got
Okay.
the
Give me the top numbers.
30,
Good,
a 9,
good.
16.
Did you say 16?
Yes.
Okay. So now you've got to subtract 30 minus 9, and then take the result of that and subtract 16.
Okay.
So you have to do it in 2 steps. You have to first do 30 minus 9, then you can,
The order matters, right?
yeah, when you're subtracting it does. So that's why I said just
Okay.
go from left to right, do that part, and then,
Okay. So 21 minus 21 minus 16, right?
yes, yes.
21 minus 16. Is it 15?
It is 5.
Oh, 5.
Yes, 21 minus 16. Yeah. Yeah. Is there a quieter spot for you to do your lesson today, or is this the best option where you're at?
This is the best option.
Okay. All right. So your final answer is 5, and then 5 over 36.
5 over 5, 36. So you can hear everything, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And I mean, it's fine for me. It's you that, I mean, you're the student. You're the one trying to learn this
I
stuff.
know.
It's okay. Well, all right. Let me know if you need any more time in this problem. Otherwise, we'll move to another one.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Got it all down? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the next problem here. It says to evaluate this expression. They want you to first do this part in parentheses,
Yeah.
but the parentheses actually are not needed. So we're actually gonna just look at it differently. We're just gonna look at it as 7 and 3/4 plus 12 minus 3 and 6 over 11. Like that.
Okay.
And we're gonna do just like we did before. We're gonna take the 7, add the 12, and subtract the 3. 7 plus 12 minus 3. What does that become?
12 minus 3. 2.
I'm sorry?
2.
It's more than you're adding
Wait.
12 first.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Sorry.
Go left or right.
Is this 17?
Yes. All right, now take the 3/4 and subtract the 6 over 11. So I want you to do that on your own. You got to come up with the common denominator for that,
Okay.
and let me know what you come up with.
So I tell you my least common denominator first, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be happy to check that for you.
Where I am. Wait, the least common denominator is 40, I believe.
It should be 44 because you're working with
44.
4 and 11. 4 and 11. You can sometimes just multiply them. Not always, but sometimes.
Oh, sorry, I just got mixed up with the numbers. Okay, so then do you want me to do it all by myself now or?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I give you my final answer, right?
Sure.
Okay, I got my final answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
It is 17 and 13 over 44.
Okay. So you should have gotten 33 here and 24 there. So
Yeah.
33 minus 24 is not 13 though. It's not 13. So try that one more time, please.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna type it in the chat.
Okay.
And-
I just want the numerator. It's not hopefully you got 9.
Yeah, I did. I typed it in the chat.
Okay, so it's 17, 9 over 44. Good. Yeah. So these are a little bit longer problems. So we may not get as many done in a lesson because there's more and more to do each time here.
Yeah.
All right. So this time, here's a new problem for us to look at. This time we actually have to do what is in parentheses first. Okay. When there's a subtraction with a parentheses, you have to do what's inside parentheses first.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna actually maybe come off And rewrite this here as 8, 5 over 17 plus 1 and 1/2. Do you remember how we did this? Could you tell me verbally what we do to simplify a problem like this?
We add 8 plus 1, which that gives us 9.
Good.
And then we go up to the side, and then we just rewrite that. And then after, we have to look for the numerator. Wait, sorry, LCM, because it's not the same.
Yes.
So,
So let me give you the LCM, 34. So I want you to add these two fractions together, please.
okay. 34. Okay, is it 6 over 34?
So did you get, I guess you wrote 10 and 17? So you can't just add the top numbers, Zoe. We never do that. You
Okay.
always have to change the top numbers.
We have to do the same thing we've been doing, right?
That's right.
Okay, so 27 over 34.
Good. Okay. So that's our answer to the first part. Okay. So we're not done though. I mean, this is just a nice start.
Yeah.
So we're going to bring down this 19 and 15 over 34, and we have to subtract. Okay.
Okay.
Just let me know when you've done that, because there's more.
Okay.
There's more to do.
I wrote it down.
So notice that 15 over 34 is less than 27 over 34.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a problem. That means we're gonna have to borrow from the 19.
Okay.
All right. So the 19 becomes 8, 18 plus 1 plus 15 over 34. We did this, I think, the other day. Minus 9 minus 27 over 34.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can work with the 18 and 9. We can take the 18 and subtract 9. What does that become?
That becomes 9.
Becomes 9. Okay, so we've taken care of those two right there. Now we have to do 1 plus 15 over 34 minus 27 over 34.
Okay.
So now the one we're going to change into a fraction with the same bottom as the one on the right. Do you see how these all have they all have the same bottom?
Yeah.
All right, so now
Yep.
you're going to take 34, the first 34, you're going to add it to the 15, and then you're going to subtract 27, and you have to do it left to right. So go ahead and try that. Let me know if you have questions.
Okay. 3, 15. Okay, I got
Okay, what does it add up to?
22.
22 over 34. Very good. All right, so our answer is 9 from this first part, and then 22 over 34, like that. Now, there's just a tiny bit more to do here.
Okay.
Can you reduce this fraction?
Yeah. Yes.
So divide by 2, top and bottom. What does that become?
Okay. Let me just do this really quick.
What's the denominator, Zoe?
I'm still trying to figure that out.
Okay, okay.
Time. Just wait. Give me about a minute.
Sure,
Please.
take your time.
So I got 12 over 17.
11 over 17.
11. Oh wait, sorry, 11. I meant 11. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do, so that's your final answer, 9 and 11 over 17. We're gonna do one more problem here, a word problem. It's not too difficult, but we should at least do one today.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Jada competed in a triathlon with 3 parts. She swam for 3/4 kilometers, ran for 2 1/3 kilometers, and biked for 5 1/2 kilometers. What is the total distance Jada traveled during the triathlon? What is the math operation here?
Total. I think it's adding.
That's right. So it's 3/4 plus 2 1/3 plus 5 1/2.
Okay, let me just get this written down.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, so we're going to add 2 and 5 together. What is 2 plus 5?
7.
Okay, and then we're going to do 3/4 plus 1/3 plus 1/2. So I want you to add those up, get a common denominator here to add those together.
So I tell you my least common denominator and my new
Sure.
fraction. I mean,
Yes. Yeah, that would be good.
4, 3, 2, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 6, 9, 12, 4, 6, 8. So the least common denominator is 12, I believe.
Yes, it is 12. Okay, so
Oh
give me
yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the fractions. Okay, so Okay, I got my
Okay, good.
9,
Okay,
12.
that's not 12. The bottom's 12. Then you're gonna multiply the top number.
Oh, I have 1. Okay, so 4.
4, good. And then the last one,
The last one is 12. I believe
you're multiplying 2 times 6 to get to 12.
2 times 6. Eh,
So you're multiplying that top number by 6.
Okay, it's 6.
6, good. Okay, so now add up 9 plus 4 plus 6.
9 plus 4 plus 6. 19.
19. Okay, good. So our answer is 7 and 19 over 12, but there's a small problem, small issue here. Do you see that the 19 is larger than the 12?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means we got to break apart that fraction. Okay, so that 19 over 12 becomes 12 plus 7, and then keep 12 and 12 on the bottom.
Okay. Then do we add them together, right? The 12 plus 7?
You actually divide
Oh,
12 plus
divide.
12. So 12 plus 12 is 1.
Yes.
So this becomes 1 plus 7 over 12. So 7 plus 1 plus 7 over 12.
This one plus 7 over-
Okay, now what does this result in when you add it up?
8 and 7 over 12.
Yes. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. Very good. We're gonna end. You and I are gonna end here for today. Go ahead and let Michael know that I'm ready for him, and I'll see you next week.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Sorry for
welcome.
the noises.
No problem.
Tell him something.